The RVLOVENT 12-volt roof fan vent delivers strong airflow that quickly refreshes the air in a camper, trailer, or van while drawing very little power. Its motor and blade design keep noise surprisingly low, so it can run for long periods without making the interior feel loud or stressful. The reversible fan function lets you either pull hot, stale air out or bring cooler, fresh air in, which is especially useful for managing cooking odors and humidity. With multiple speed options, it is easy to fine-tune ventilation from a gentle breeze at night to maximum airflow on hot afternoons. The unit is designed to drop into a standard 14-inch by 14-inch roof opening, and the included hardware and interior trim make installation straightforward for most do-it-yourself owners. Thoughtful extras like the integrated fuse protection, spare fuses, and an additional insect screen show that the manufacturer has considered real-world use and maintenance.